how to use Photoshop. You can learn how to use Inkscape. You can learn how to use Canva. But how do you learn creativity? Of course, in my channel, what you can do is you can learn all of these tools. But creativity is something that you need to develop on your own. So to talk more about how you can get creative, I've invited my friend Adam to talk about it. So to you, Adam.
Hey everyone, my name's Adam and my channel is all about helping you build your following on YouTube. And how I get more creative is first I realize that you can't always feel creative. So what I do is I start doing the task that I want to be creative in, even if I'm not in the mood, and even if I'm not feeling creative. And sometimes as you do something, you start to get into whatever it is you're doing, and you start to come up with new ideas. Sometimes you just have to sit in front of the camera and babble for a little bit before you can figure out what you really want to say. And then the second thing that I do is I study the creators that are the players in my niche. So what you need to do is identify who the players are, who the major channels are that make your similar type of content, and study their content, because as you do that, you will come up with new ways to share your content in a better way. And the last thing that I do is I brainstorm. And the best way to do this is grab a notebook and a pen and go in some place that's private and start writing down whatever comes into your mind. It doesn't really matter what it is, just start writing things down. And as you do, ideas will come to you and you'll start to draw connections. And if you do this every so often, then those ideas will translate into a lot of really great videos for your channel. So I hope these tips were helpful for you, and I hope to see you at my channel sometime soon.
Thank you very much, Adam, for your wonderful insight on creativity. So, as Adam said, you don't always feel creative, and it's quite natural. But we feel sometimes that we are not creative enough, and you feel that you're not creative at all for some reason. But think about everyday life. Like sometimes you have to walk somewhere and then you choose a different route. You think about these things, like all of the little things that you do in your daily life are creative. So creativity is simply within you and you just need the right way to get it out of you. One of the techniques that I used and also Adam mentioned is to brainstorm. So I like to use this tool called bubble.us. So that's without an E right there. And then what happens is that you can use the brainstorming tool to actually think of a word that you want to feel creative about. Then you make branches out of those words right there. And then what you have is you have a list of things that comes out of your mind in a random state. And that's how you can get creative. And to be creative, what you can also do is try out new things. You can try to, let's say, for example, go to a place that you usually go to, or like you try to draw out things, or maybe try creative exercises like singing and even dancing right there. So that really develops out your creative thinking skills because you are thinking in a different way, just like that. So the answer for creativity is you got to practice. And even if you don't feel creative, it's not like you have to create a masterpiece right on the get-go. It's like you don't think about something right away, and if you don't feel that it's a masterpiece, that you're a failure. No, that is not how it works. You have to keep on trying out new things time and again, try and fail, and then one of those failures, one of those tries will be a success at the end. So just keep on brainstorming, keep on practicing, keep on trying out more creative stuff, and you'll feel creative eventually. So practice until you get more creative, and you can use the tools that you learn in my particular channel to your advantage, just like that, for creative purposes. So as I always like to say, hope you guys enjoyed and learn as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.